Hey guys, in this video we are going to start talking about powers and exponents. So at the top of page 62, you should see a power here. This whole thing is called a power. 3 to the 4th is broken up into two parts. The 3 is what we call a base. And the 4 is called an exponent. The exponent tells us how many times the base is multiplied together. So for example, 3 to the 4th is just 3 multiplied by itself 4 times. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, which simplifies to 81. So this is called a power. This is called expanded form. And when you actually multiply it out and get 81, that is the standard form that you normally see. All right, so let's take a few others and practice expanding them and finding their standard form. Okay, so if I have 5 to the 3rd, that is the same as multiplying 5 times 5 times 5. Now, if I got my calculator out and did 5 times 5 times 5, I would get 125. 2 to the 7th is 2 multiplied by itself 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And again, if I got my calculator out and multiplied that together, I would get 128. 3 squared is the same as 3 times 3, which is 9. The same is true when working with variables. The exponent tells us how many times the base is multiplied together. So at the bottom of the page, you see the example x to the 4th, which is the same as x times x times x times x. So even though the base is no longer a number, the exponent still tells me how many times to multiply that base together. So if I have y to the 5th, that's the same as y times y times y times y times y. So y times itself 5 times. Similarly, x to the 3rd y squared is the same as x multiplied by itself 3 times, and then multiplied by y twice. So x times x times x times y times y. And you can even do that with 3 variables. X to the 6th is x multiplied by itself 6 times. Y to the 3rd is being multiplied by itself 3 times. And z to the 4th is multiplying z by itself 4 times. Now, normally you won't see the expanded form in mathematics. It's just used to help you understand what a power means. But in a few minutes, or in the next videos coming, you're going to learn a little bit more about how to simplify exponents that have bases that are variables.